Hello guys, Jordan here from Tools for Sparks and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really interesting for you and probably a lot of you have never seen one of these before. This is a Panduit cable comb. What is a cable comb for? Well, it does what it says on the tin. It's for combing cables. In other words, when you've got loads of cables to run in, it helps you to run them neatly and in the same order. I absolutely love this tool. It's something that I've not used in a while because I used to do a lot of big data installs, running in hundreds and hundreds of Cat6 cables all on basket, and these came in really handy. Now I don't really do so much of that kind of work anymore, so to be honest I haven't used these in a while, but I thought I'd just crack them out and show them to you because I thought you might find it of interest, especially if any of you who do a lot of data installs. These tools are absolutely life-saving for when you're dressing your cables, and it might be of interest to you. So, company is called Panduit, P-A-N-D-U-I-T, a bit like conduit, but pan instead. And this tool, I can't even remember the product number of it, but I will leave a link in the description to where you can find one for yourself. Basically, you've got two sizes here, and I'll show you how it works. So the green one here, this is for slightly smaller data cables. So your Cat6, for example, things like that. Cat6 unshielded, for example, UTP would probably fit in here. Cat5 as well, and then this one is for slightly larger cables like your Cat6A, your FTP cables, things like that. So usually I use this one because I'll use Cat6 UTP for most of my installations. And I'll just show you how it works. So it's got this plastic surround here which splits open, and it's just held together by Velcro. So you open it up like that and you take this piece out. That closes back up, and you put your cables into here in the order that you want them to stay in. So for example, if I've got a run of 5-6 cables, I can just click them in to this in the order that I want them to run on the cable tray, so that they're in a nice neat bunch basically. So something like that. Obviously I'm improvising a little bit here because I've just got a coil of cable, but at least it gives you the idea. So you do them like that so that they will be in a nice neat bunch, right? Then you put this back on. Thread the Velcro back through like that and close it up, and that just holds it together. And then while you're running in the cables on the basket, you just slide that along, cable tie, slide it along a bit more, cable tie, slide it along a bit more, and so on, and you just keep putting your cable ties on. Imagine you've got a long run of cables. This can hold up to about 30 cables, something like that, so it can have quite a lot. You've got a big bunch of data cables and you want them all to be nice and neat in the same order. For me, maybe it's a little bit of an OCD thing or something, but I just hate to see cables that are all twisted and tangled up together. So this is a way to have them all in exactly the same order from start to finish. And that means that actually if ever you needed to just remove one cable in the future, you could literally just remove that cable all the way along in the whole run, pull it out, and it wouldn't mess up the rest of the cables. It wouldn't be twisted in with them or anything like that. So it means that you can make super neat bunches of cables on your basket and on your cable tray, and it just helps you to dress the cables really neatly back to the patch panel. And you can obviously keep them in the right order all the way to the patch panel, and then you can plan it so that you can actually have them coming in really neatly to the patch panel as well, exactly how you want them. As I said, this insert works exactly the same, just for slightly larger cables, so it's interchangeable with that. And it's just a great little tool for tidying and dressing data cables. I would imagine that it could work with coax cables as well, and other kind of control cables that are a similar size. So any cables that you need to dress and cable tie onto cable tray in bunches, this is the way forward. I know with data cables that actually we often used to use Velcro rather than cable ties, because the Velcro doesn't pinch on the cables. And actually, if you use cable ties and they pinch on the cable slightly, it can reduce the transmission speed, the data transmission speed of the cables when it comes to doing your testing. So we used to get these Velcro strips, and we just tie the Velcro around gently to keep them in a nice neat bunch. And that also means that you can easily open up the Velcro later on, add another cable, close it again, or the same, you can open up the Velcro, remove a cable and close it again, and it avoids having to go cut off all the cable ties, start again, and then re-cable tie everything. So quite a neat little system. I thought I'd just share it with you. Let me know in the comments if you've got one of these, if you've used one of these, if you've used maybe one of the old school cable combs, like out of a block of wood or something like that, that people used to use back in the 60s. Let me know if you've ever used anything similar to this. I'd love to know all your experiences in the comments. There's a link in the description where you can get one of these for yourself if you'd like to have a look. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I post regular videos here all about tools for electricians. And if you hit the notification bell, then you won't miss out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.